ஒரு ஷார்ட் ஓகேவா? Hello people, we are back with our series WTE hashtag where to eat. So today's place is Funnel Hill Creamery. We're going to try some good food, good mood, a warm hug and a coffee mug. So my name is Radha Krishna.
And I'm Priya.
Behind the cameras we have Anurag and Ritesh. Welcome to Hippie Hippo and
Hit the show.
So, Funnel Hill Creamery. क्या है Funnel Creamery? Please comment down below. And Priya, please tell me what is Funnel Creamery now.
Sure. So, Funnel Hill Creamery, this is a very cute cafe right at Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad, where you get to try all these amazing pastries. Like, there's cheesecake too, which is my favorite. And you get to try burgers, sandwiches, toasts, anything. And it has like a really cool vibe to it. It has these plants all around the cafe and this cute stone interior with pink at one and white at other ones. It's a really cool place where you can work and just have food.
It has free Wi-Fi too, so
Yeah.
you can watch our videos. And tell me what dish you have chosen today. I'll tell you what I have chosen today.
Dishes. You want me to go first?
Yeah, go. Come on.
So it's chicken nuggets, but there's a twist with it. I'll let you know when I get my dish. What
The dish which I have chosen is buffalo mac and cheese. So chicken nuggets versus mac and cheese. Get
Bring
it.
it on. Sure. Let's try it.
So we got the
Yes.
mac and cheese. We got the chicken nuggets.
Food is here. I'm so excited. Thank you. I don't need this set.
Come on, let's do it. Let's do this. So let's start. Oh, they have this fried egg sunny side up. Let me have my first bite. It is It is Priya, you need to try this.
I'll try it. I'll try it.
No,
But
you should try
first,
it. It is
well, I will try it. Okay. First, let me try mine. These are chicken nuggets. Do you think they are ordinary chicken nuggets?
they're chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets.
No. I told you there was a twist, right? So these are vegan chicken nuggets. They are with plant-based meat. So this is not chicken.
Plant-based?
These are cruelty free. So yes, you
Are
can
we
just
eating
have-
veg now again?
Yes, they are vegan. They're completely vegan.
Let's see, do we get the meat taste or not? Give me half.
No, have another one.
Okay, chalo.
Here.
They really taste like a chicken. These, I don't feel like they're vegan chicken nuggets, people.
It does taste like chicken, right?
It tastes like a chicken nuggets only. There's no difference actually. Like, I cannot say the difference.
And it also looks like meat. Just check this
Yeah,
out.
looks like meat actually.
Texture that you get with chicken, it's literally the same, right? Don't you think?
Yeah, the texture, everything is same. But chicken nuggets here are very, very different. And these are Indianized in such a way that the Indian palate can accept.
And let's try mac and cheese. I want to try mac and cheese.
Lots of cheese.
Ooh. I want the egg and the crispy golden crunch on the top.
Take it in the one bite. Yeah. Come on, grab it. Eat it.
Wow.
I know, right?
Wow. That's so cheesy. That is really cheesy.
So cheesy. Yeah, it's so
I'm going
cheesy.
for another bite.
Let's try another last bite.
It's really good. It's like so cheesy
I
and
took the runny egg yolk, the egg white,
best part, right?
the golden crunch, which is on the outside, the golden part,
It is
and the
so
cheese
gooey.
from the inside.
So
This thing is the thing. Mac and cheese, mac and cheese. So we're done with mac and cheese and chicken nuggets. So let's go for the next round.
So our sandwich is here.
Yeah, it is here.
Looks good, right?
I love the bread, you know, the
Yeah, the crust outside,
crust
right?
outside.
You can see how fresh it is, right?
It really looks, you know, which is made yet. It really looks very,
Fresh
very
and-
fresh.
Just homemade and with the fresh ingredients. So we have the chicken sandwich with the flatbread that I talked about and the chicken patty with some greens in between with a side of fries and there's the chicken garlic sauce and there's the mustard sauce. So are you
And
ready to try?
Fries as usual.
Yeah, for adult lovers.
No
And-
rice, only fries.
Yeah. So let's,
Let's try. Cheers.
Cheers.
Eye contact. Cheers.
Cheers. It is so crunchy.
I love the
One
lettuce.
thing.
I thought, you know, making their own bread, I think it won't cost much. It'll be like the normal sandwich, but you know, bread really makes a lot of difference,
The
guys.
bread has a little bit of an extra sweet flavor,
Yeah.
don't you think?
It's good. It is hard. You know, I never have the sides actually. In my house, I cut that thing. I have the middle part. But here, even the sides are so good. I'm actually having the with the sides actually. And the patty is also very good.
Here's a trivia question. Which famous character, TV series character, loves sandwiches? Who is it?
How you doing?
You
Joey
try.
Tribbiani it is.
Joey Tribbiani.
Please just say chili garlic sauce. Bon appetit.
Something nice with the sauce too.
But nothing beats a sandwich, man. The sandwich, the patty.
Chili garlic sauce on one
Season
of the
2,
flatbread.
here my crunch.
Doing the crunch thing now. Are we gonna have the crunch competition once again?
Who has the best crunch? Comment down below for this episode. I know on the last episode. I do the best crunches, people.
I think I won. What do you guys think?
Hello. People need to say who won, okay?
Yeah, we'll see who won. Okay?
I won. Who? You people comment down. Please comment down. I know I will, right? So,
French fries are really good.
I'll have my
now.
last bite and we'll move to the next round. So, I'll have my last bite and let's have some desserts. We're having lotus cheesecake, French toast with some hot chocolate.
Okay,
Bon
interesting.
appetit, madame. So, bring it on.
Bring it. So, let's dig in.
Let's dig in. That's yours. This is mine.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Wait, you said that's mine.
That's one is big. No, it's mine.
You took the bigger piece. See, the
Uh,
bread just came apart.
I'll take with the butter the first. Oh! Betty bought a butter. The butter was bitter. So she made the butter to make it bitter, butter, better.
No, I don't think that's the way it goes.
I don't know Betty will make the butter better or not, but this butter will make the French toast better.
Okay, let's try.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is this? This is chocolate.
Yeah, that's chocolate.
I'm going with the chocolate first.
How is
Wow,
it? Let me try with chocolate too.
the bread just melted in my mouth. The bread is so light. It's really just melting off in your mouth. It is so good.
Try with the butter.
Okay.
I've never tried with honey actually. My mom and dad have bread and honey. Let me try it.
Ooh, look at that butter. Is there a thing called too much butter or cheese or chocolate?
There
No.
are too much calories actually.
Not
There is not too much butter.
Not today.
Yeah, I love the honey too, man.
So perfect.
Let's try with the maple syrup now. Cheers.
Wait, let me try this.
Let's have a cheers bite with the maple syrup.
Okay, cheers. Look at that. It's just soaking up all the maple
I
syrup.
thought maple syrup and honey are same. I think the name is different, I thought. But maple syrup has a different taste, don't you think? Did you
It
notice
tastes
that
like
taste?
honey though, but
No,
not
no.
quite like honey.
That's very different. I don't know.
Yeah.
So
Let's try with the honey. Let's see how honey goes.
let me rate my best bite. My best bite is butter. First is butter. Second, chocolate. 3, honey. 4, maple syrup.
No.
I love butter.
So I'll tell you my favorite. I don't know if the chocolate was the first thing that I took into the first bite, but for me the chocolate. It literally just melted in my mouth the first bite. Remember the last thing that you asked me, the first thing that you had for the last time? I think this is gonna be it.
I'll do a thing. This is the first thing which everybody asked for last time. I'll mix all of it. Some
Oh my
butter,
god, no.
some chocolate, some honey,
And
Some-
maple syrup.
cough syrup. Sorry, maple syrup. Okay, come on.
You sure you wanna try?
It's the first thing I'll try for the last time because I'll die. I'm just kidding. I hope it is good.
How is that?
It's good only, but separately it's actually fine. That's the reason they gave it separately, right?
Yeah.
They could have given it at once. Yeah.
I'll have my
So-
favorite again with the chocolate.
We're done with the French
Not
toast,
done.
the butter.
Not done.
You still want to have it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try the cheesecake, people. So, yeah.
Cheesecake. Okay. So we have cheesecake too.
So you're done? You said you're not done, no?
I want to finish it. I can have
Cheddar
both. There's always
cheesecake.
room for dessert, right? It's a
So yeah, we have the cheesecake with the Parle-G biscuit.
It's lotus biscuit. It's not Parle-G
Lotus
biscuit.
biscuit. Okay, so yeah, before we start, whenever I hear cheesecake, I get that one scene on mind. I'll enact it. Tell me what it is.
Oh,
Well,
don't
well.
tell me you did that now.
Well, what is it? What is
It's
it?
Joey taking out the spoon.
People, is it the right answer? Please comment down below. If you like Joy Tribbiani, please comment down below. If you like cheesecakes, please subscribe to our channel. So let's dig in. The plating looks very good with the biscuit.
So classy.
I'll do like a master chef now.
Just have it. This cream,
Cakes usually melt inside your mouth. Cheesecake, as soon as you keep it in your mouth, it melts like a cotton candy.
yeah. And is this cream? Is it made with this biscuit? Because it has a similar taste.
I think there are a lot of people since Funnel Hill Creamery is a very very established and very famous place. People, is the cream on this is it made of this lotus biscuit or lotus flavor?
Yeah.
Please comment down below if you know anything about cheesecakes. Comment down below if you know any other good cheesecakes. Again, comment down below anything.
wanna
Please
try.
reach out to us. We will do it for for sure.
Yes, we'll
So,
let you know what we think.
I'll take one with the cream.
Yes.
Okay, it's my last bite. Let's have the last bite because even Anurag likes this cheesecake, so I cannot have all of it. So yeah, have the last bite. Bye cheesecake. So Anurag, how many do we have? How many dishes did we have? 5,000 5,000 calories, ah. Yeah, we had quite some few dishes and
A lot
some
of
food.
dishes.
So please comment down below what is your favorite food, and if we did miss out any food from here, please comment down below. We'll do it in the next volume 2 of Funnel Creamery and where to eat. So yeah, so we're gonna end this thing with some hot chocolate, which is a staple thing which people have in Funnel Creamery. Yeah, we didn't say the outro.
Let's do the outro now, right?
Please like
Share,
and subscribe
subscribe.
to Hippie Hippo.